I'm Mr. Turner, and we are doing our English practice again. Let's go ahead and go into our lesson, which is which languages do you speak? And then we're going to go into I am learning English. Let's go ahead and get started. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Somalia.
I am from Somalia.
Which languages do you speak?
Which languages do you speak?
I speak Somalia, Arabic, and English.
I speak Somali, Arabic, and English.
Which languages do you speak?
Which languages do you speak?
I speak English.
I speak English.
M.
M. A. M.
R.
R. A. R. E.
Where?
Where? W. H. E. R. E.
From.
From. F. R. O. M.
U.
U. Y. O. U.
Languages.
L. A. N. G. U. A. G. E. S.
Which languages do you speak?
Which languages do you speak?
I speak English.
I speak English.
Speak.
S. P. E. A. K.
Which?
W. H. I. C. H.
You.
Y. O. U. Good job, everyone.
Great.
I am learning English. Which languages do you speak?
Which languages do you speak?
I speak Arabic and I am learning English.
I speak Arabic and I am learning English.
And you?
And you?
I speak Kurdish and I am also learning English.
I speak Kurdish and I am also learning English.
Hooray! Keep it up.
Let's go ahead and practice.
I speak English. I am learning English.
This one. Which languages do you speak?
I speak English. Which languages do you speak?
And where are you from? Are you from?
And where are you from?
I am from
I am
Syria.
from Syria.
And what languages? What? Which? Which languages do you speak?
And which languages do you speak?
It is okay to make mistakes on these. I speak English and
I speak English and Spanish.
me too. And you?
Me too. And you?
I speak
I speak English.
Good job.
Nice. You got almost.
Almost all of them. That will be our English practice for today. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, and a side thing is it's okay to make mistakes. Go ahead and give it your best, and if you would like to practice on and try the test on your own after watching this video, go into Anton in the beginning level. Thank you for joining me for some English practice. Like and subscribe, and please let all of your friends know about the channel. Have a wonderful one.